If your pediatrician is concerned about your baby's weight, or as a mother, you are worried that your baby is not putting on weight as he is supposed to, then watch this video till the end. These two recipes changed everything for us, and I'm going to show you the two recipes today. So let's get started.
Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year, Chubby Baby's Kitchen subscribers.
Hi Chubstars, welcome back. If you're new here, I am your favorite Chubbytritionist and I share nutritious baby food recipes that actually works. Today I am making two separate weight gain recipes. Both are perfect for babies 6 months and older who need those extra calories for healthy growth. My little one struggled with weight gain and these two recipes became our go-to meals. Recipe 1 is perfect for breakfast or lunch, and recipe 2 works great for dinner or as a snack. So let's not waste any time, let's get cooking. First, we are going to cook our oats. Now pay attention to this because the way you cook them matters for digestion. Add your 2 cups of whole grain oats to the pot with about 4 cups of water. This ratio is very important. We want them nice and soft for baby's tummy. Turn your heat to medium. We are not rushing this. Slow and steady makes this oat perfectly creamy and easier for your baby to digest. Then continue to give it a good stir. You see how the water is already starting to absorb the oat. That is what we want. Next is my secret ingredient, cinnamon. Just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Not only does this add beautiful warm flavor that babies love, but cinnamon also helps with digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. When my baby was struggling to gain weight, I felt so helpless. But when I discovered this combination, everything changed. Like the oats for sustained energy, the other ingredient for protein and fat, and the cinnamon for flavor and digestion. It's just like nature's perfect formula. You're going to be stirring this occasionally for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here is what a lot of people don't know. When you cook your oats thoroughly like this, you're actually breaking down the complex starches, making them easier for your baby's developing digestive system to handle. This means better nutrient absorption and less tummy troubles. If the mixture looks too thick, add more water. If it is too watery, just cook it a bit longer. Trust your instincts, you're doing great. Now look at that, the oats are getting nice and thick. The color is changing to this beautiful creamy beige color. That means we are almost there. We'll be needing 1 boiled egg. Mamas, this is your protein powerhouse. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids your baby needs for growth. Plus, they are loaded with chlorine for brain development. This is gold for growing babies. Once the oat is cooked, transfer the oat cinnamon into your blender. Make sure it is not hot or else it might spoil your blender. Once you transfer this into your blender, you're going to go in with the shredded eggs. Now this ingredient I am adding now is a leftover rice I had in the fridge. I just decided to add it because there is no wastage in my house. Then after adding the egg, the next thing we are going to add is Mackie's Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder Plus. This is a powerhouse of nutrients guaranteed for weight gain. Very excellent if your baby is having poor appetite or losing weight greatly. This will help to improve your child's eating appetite and will help your child to gain weight very fast. It is really selling out very well and you can get this from Makkie Healthy Food. Trust me, it is a very good product. It contains about 7 ingredients that are working to get your baby on the chubby lane, and using this product consistently for 2 weeks will help you to get a chubby baby. We just need 1 spoon of this weight gain powder plus and we added it into the blender. Next up is Mackie's date powder. This is a sweetener that will help to sweeten your baby's food. You can either use Mackie's date powder or Mackie's date syrup. If you have honey, you can use honey if your baby is above 1 year, but if you don't have, please get the date powder. Now we'll transfer just 1 spoon of this date powder into the blender, and lastly we are adding milk, baby formula or full cream milk. For this recipe I am using full cream milk and I added it into the blender. You can also use breast milk or formula. You are only allowed to use full cream milk if your baby is over 12 months. This helps to add healthy fat and makes everything creamy and delicious. Then you have to blend up until a smooth texture is achieved. If your baby is from 7 to 8 months, do well to mash, right? If your baby is already accepting mashed milk, you don't need to blend. You can as well use a masher to mash all this up and your baby can consume it. Oh my goodness, just look at that yumminess. I like to serve this in a bowl that my baby loves, and my baby loves this particular bowl so well. It has bright colors to catch his attention and make mealtime fun. So you can be like me and get powerful, colorful bowls just like this. Before you serve, always test the temperature. Put a little on your wrist, and then if it feels warm, not hot, it means that you can now serve your baby. For babies 6 to 8 months, you can start with about 5 to 6 spoons. For babies 9 to 12 months, you can do any tablespoon as much as their tummy can be able to carry it. Let your baby guide you. If they want more, give them more. If it is too thick, add little more milk. And the best time to serve this is mid-morning when your baby is alert and ready to eat. The complex carbohydrate gives sustained energy for playtime and development. And mommies, daddies, if your baby doesn't finish it the first time, don't stress yourself. Sometimes babies need to try new textures multiple times. Keep offering it with love and patience. You've got this. Now let's move on to recipe 2. It is just as amazing and your baby is going to love having options. For recipe 2, this one is special and I'm so excited to share this with you. We are using Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Foods. Now let me tell you why I absolutely love this product and why it is a game changer for babies who need to gain weight. Tom Brown Plus is not just your regular Tom Brown. It is specially formulated with nutrient-dense ingredients that support healthy weight gain and development. This is made by Makkie Healthy Foods, a brand I completely trust because they understand what our babies needs. You want to measure out 3 tablespoons of Tom Brown Plus from the Makkie Healthy Food. This is your foundation, your power base for this meal. Now that big spoon I use is actually 3 tablespoons, so you don't need to worry. Transfer the powder into a bowl, then go in with 1 cup of water to dissolve the powder until it is completely smooth. Make sure there is no lump or else your porridge will come out lumpy. We're also going to be using 1 big beautiful red apple. Now apples are packed with fiber, vitamin C and natural sugars that give babies energy. Plus they are natural sweetness. Babies go crazy for it. If you have been struggling to find the right food for your baby's weight gain, this combination is going to change things for you. I promise you, it is going to change things for you. Now all you have to do with the apple is to peel off the skin of the apple to reveal the flesh inside. Make sure it is very clean, washed and completely peeled. After peeling the apple, proceed to chop the apple into little bits. This little bit will help for easier steaming and blending. A mother chatted me last week and told me that when she discovered this Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Food, honestly, it was like a weight lifted off her shoulders. She doesn't have to spend hours roasting and grinding grains by herself. Makkie Healthy Food has done all the hard work, and you know what? They combined the best ingredients, roasted them perfectly and created this powerhouse nutrition all in one package. So if you are a busy parent, you don't need to stress yourself looking for what to prepare. Makkie Healthy Food is there for you. Next up, transfer a cup of water into a clean pot and bring the water to a boil. Once the water boils, transfer the mixture, that's the Tom Brown mixture, into the boiling water and then stir consistently and continuously to avoid lump. This is a process of cooking. You know what I love about this combination? Tom Brown Plus gives you the fortified grains and nutrients, apple adds that natural sweetness and vitamins, while egg brings out protein. That's if you want to add egg. Together they create these perfectly balanced calorie-rich meals that support healthy weight gain. Now here is where we get clever. We are going to use the steam from this pot to cook our apples. Zero waste, maximum efficiency. Place your steamer basket right over the pot and make sure it fits securely. Add your chopped apple pieces into the steamer. Cover with a lid. The steam from our porridge is going to cook these apples perfectly. This will take about 5 minutes to steam. You will know that they are done when they are soft and you can pierce them easily with a fork. Steaming is one of the best ways to cook for babies because it preserves nutrients. Boiling can leach out vitamins into the water, but steaming, it keeps all the goodness locked in. Okay, before we blend everything together, can I ask you for a quick favor? If you're finding this helpful, if you can already imagine your baby loving this recipe, please hit that like button right now. It helps other parents who are struggling with weight gain to find this video. Also drop a comment. Tell me how old your baby is right now. Are you excited to try Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Foods? The link to purchase this is in the description box, and in the comment section you can go get one for your baby. To blend the apple, you will need to add liquid milk into the apple. This is gotten by dissolving your powdered milk with water and then you pour the liquid into the apple to make the blending easier. I actually want to know something specific. Look at the question on your screen right now. Go down to the comments and answer it. I read every single comment and I will give you a personalized advice. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. I post weight gain recipes, feeding tips and real solutions every single week. Thank you. Now let's finish this incredible recipe. You're going to love this part. After blending, voila, our baby food is now ready. Transfer the mixture into your baby plate, add the blended apple and milk mixture into the Tom Brown puree, and yummy, your baby is ready to have this excellent recipe. This recipe is very perfect for weight gain because Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Food is already fortified with vitamins and minerals that your babies need. Secondly, the apple adds natural sweetness that babies love, plus fiber for healthy digestion. The date powder acts as sweetener, natural sweetener, and then everything is smooth and easy to digest, which means better nutrient absorption. Now let's talk about storage because I know you will want to meal prep. This recipe stays fresh in the fridge for up to 2 days. Then in the freezer, you can freeze it too for up to 1 week. Make sure that you label it with the date, Tom Brown Plus apple recipe, so that you know exactly what it is. And when you want to feed your baby, kindly reheat. Use a warm water or gentle stove top heating. Stir well. If you want to try Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Food, I'll put their information in the description box below. Trust me, this will change your feeding routine. And there you have it, 2 incredible weight gain recipes that are going to help your baby thrive. Recipe 1, whole grain oats with cinnamon, egg and milk, and recipe 2, Tom Brown Plus from Makkie Healthy Food. And so we have come to the end of today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.